This video will show you how to register produced and rejected items based on data from your phone and set up an OEE overview dashboard. First, go to System and select Dashboards. Click the Add Dashboard button and name your new dashboard. You can now find the new dashboard in the drop-down list on the Dashboard tab. To use the OEE widget, you first need to set up OEE settings. Go to the System tab and select OEE. In the sidebar menu, click the OEE General Settings to unfold and click Edit Settings. As the Produced property, select Produced Count. As the Reject property, select Reject Count. You can add OEE settings specific to your device by clicking the plus next to OEE Device Settings. Select your phone. Now you enter the ideal cycle time and downtime limit. Here we entered 200 milliseconds and 5,000 milliseconds respectively. Right now, the Produced Count and Reject Count properties are empty. To make them show data, we are going to create rules that associate the Produced Count and Reject Count properties with data from your device. Select Rule Engine on the sidebar menu. Now you're going to create a rule that increments the Produced Count integer whenever the accelerometer X property changes beyond a certain margin. Click New Rule. Name the rule Produce Item. Click the plus to add an action. Choose Change Property from the drop-down. Click Select Property and choose Produced Count. Click Change Type and choose Increment from the drop-down. Click Add Condition and then Value. Choose the accelerometer X property. Click Operator. Choose Changes More Than from the drop-down. Enter 0.5 in the value field. And finally, save your rule. Now try creating a similar rule for the Reject Count. Now go to the Report tab and click OEE in the sidebar menu. Under Devices, select your phone and hit Refresh. To choose what measurements to show, click the Settings symbol. Select Total, Availability, Performance, Quality, Produced, Total Count, and also rejects Produce % and Reject %. Click the plus to add your report as a widget on your dashboard. You can also add a PAC-NL timeline to the dashboard. Go to the System tab again and click OEE in the sidebar. Unfold the OEE General Settings and click Edit Settings. Click the PAC-NL property and choose Bounce Counter. For Bounce Counter to work actively as the PAC-NL state property, you need to go to the Rule Engine and activate the bounce detection rules you created during the introduction course. Choose a rule, click Edit, Set as Active, and save. Go to the Report tab and select PAC-NL in the drop-down to the right. Click the plus symbol and add the report to your dashboard. You can also add a graph showing historical OEE data. To do that, go to Report and select Telemetry in the sidebar. Under Devices, select your phone. Under Properties, select Produced Count and Reject Count. Under Events, select Bounce Detected. Click the refresh symbol. Click the plus sign to add the report to your dashboard. If you want to adjust the look of your dashboard, click the three dots and then Edit. Now you can move the widgets around and adjust their size. Click Save when you're happy with your dashboard. If you want to be able to quickly switch between different time periods, add a time picker. Click the three dots again and then Edit. Click Add Widget and select Time Picker. Now you can easily jump between different time periods.